Hola, and welcome to High Plains Passport. There once was an American man named Dr. Stephen Youngberg. I did not meet him as he passed in 2001, but I did meet his grandson, a man by the same name, who then introduced me to two of his sisters, Anita and Nellie. The three of them live in Piña Blanca here in Honduras, where they have dedicated their lives to the continuation of Dr. Youngberg's mission, which is to help the less privileged. Today's show is not about an orphanage, it's about a home, a healthy home, called Pan American Health Service.
It started out with our grandfather, our maternal grandfather was a physician, Dr. Stephen Youngberg, and he had a hobby. He liked to go donate his free time to give care to patients in Mexico. His clinics were in South Texas, and then he'd go care for mostly TB patients. And my grandparents together, they decided to come to Honduras because it was the poorest country in the Western Hemisphere after Haiti. And they actually moved here in November of 1960.
Pan American Health Service has celebrated over 50 years of helping people in need. They employ nearly 40 full-time employees, mainly single mothers and elderly men, people who otherwise would have limited means for monetary gain. Their main focus is the Nutritional Rehabilitation Center, where they treat malnourished children who stay with them for 3 to 6 months until the conditions are favorable for a safe and healthy return to the family. But this is only a fragment of the many great things that this family does for this community, for this country.
So the nutrition rehab is the main thing of what we do. And then we also have the home for the children that have been abandoned or that for some reason just aren't able to go home. And those kids are being educated. The younger ones are getting bilingual education. And then we also have technical education, vocational education for the community. They're usually people from lower income families that really need an alternative education to get into the workforce as soon as possible.
Yeah, another program we do that we do host medical teams that come down. We also take volunteers. One of the main things we focus on also is education. We found that if you educate them, it's less likely that their kids are going to be malnourished. So education is a big part of breaking the cycle.
Education plays a crucial role in this organization. The children are required to get good grades. They are also required to work and help out around the home.
When they complete their work, they've done something special, then go to Pizza Hut or do some kind of fun outing, go up to the mountains.
Love seems to be at the center of this organization, though they never came out and said this directly. But one does not always need to state the obvious.
Obviously, it brings its challenges too, but it's very satisfying to be able to work and know that all of us are invested in the same way. We're all a family with these kids. I mean, we've watched them grow up. They've always seen us. So there's like this trusting relationship also. When times have gotten tough, they're what keep you going. No matter what kind of frustrations are happening, kids are always kids, and they're always happy and they're always loving. I mean, no money can buy that. We get paid in hugs. The value of a hug is just priceless.
I agree with Anita. Hugs are priceless, and so is this family. One of Dr. Youngberg's favorite quotes was this: "If every man would mend a man, the whole world would be mended." High Plains Passport is written and produced by Valerie Smith for HPPR. Music from Jose Gonzalez and yours truly. To learn more about Pan American Health Service and how you can help, visit their website, panamhealth.org. To see how priceless these children really are, visit hppr.org for a documentary of today's show.